Today our lesson will be through Nearpod. I'm going to go over a couple of things. That way you can feel comfortable to navigate through Nearpod. Make sure you put your first and last name up top. This will allow your science teacher to know who you are and to receive full credit. Don't worry about the other optional name down below. Only fill in the top with your first and last name. Go ahead and click Join Lesson. Make sure you read all instructions, review all articles, and submit anything that it's asking you to submit. This left arrow, blue arrow, is going to take you back. This right arrow is going to take you forward. Make sure to read all instructions. If you see this top arrow, blue arrow on top, there's some instructions here. Read it. If you wanted to make it disappear, click it again, it'll disappear. If you want to reread it, click it and it'll drop down. I'm clicking to the right to go next. And make sure you read the instructions again. Type here. If you want to add a photo, click here, and then make sure you click post. So again, some of the lessons may repeat themselves, but with different questions. So make sure again that you read everything.